We're very excited this collaboration with Televic, and I think it's also a very good example of the kind of partnerships we are looking for. The very similar companies joining forces. Televic and us share similar values. Both of us want to make the difference through innovation.
Innovation is key for us to bring new things, but not only new things, but really bring value to the market. And the market, that's one of the second values we have, is sustainability for the market. Bringing that sustainability to our customers, so combining new things, but also with the things we already have and had in the past. Bringing that together is really bringing value now in things like care efficiency and things like knowing what we are doing for the customer and the patient. I showed that we really bring new innovations like healthcare efficiency, which is really a hot topic for us, but bringing that hot topic into the market is giving the troubles we face now in convincing the people that is really the next step that needs to be taken. We are doing already a lot of years the access control, but wired into hospitals and elderly homes. But with the ASSA ABLOY system, we are now adding also the offline system to it, so we can combine both together to ensure that we have one ecosystem for the security in the healthcare sector.
And if you then together can create more value for a specific end customer challenge, you can do that in a specific vertical like hospitals and senior care in particular. It adds an extra dimension, I would say, to the partnership. So very excited about the future of that relation.